Raisa D'Souza from St. John of the Cross High School. Today in this session, I have not actually been to many sessions before, but today when I came here, it was a really good session and I loved it. Especially for students like me who don't go for tuitions or any other classes or take Byju's. This session was really beautiful. I learned so many new short tricks, and for me understanding maths is really tough, but it was really good. And now I think workshops are really better than going for tuitions. And thank you to sir who was teaching us, who took so much trouble for teaching us. Thank you so much.
My name is Kaviraj Gawas and I study in Standard 10. I'm a student of Sri Navadurga High School, Ambegar 5. So I've been attending this crash course and I really feel that it is very beneficial as it helped me to gain more confidence for our upcoming exam. Sir Atmaram Gaukar has simplified the toughest topics which have made me enough confident, and especially the lesson trigonometry, which was a bit confusing and tough for me, became much easier. And he also told us some tips and tricks to reduce the time of solving the MCQ questions, which is really helpful. And I would like to thank Dr. Pramod Sawant for giving us this opportunity to join this crash course, and I really think it is very beneficial. Thank you.
My name is Sanskar Patil from Progress SSC. I have attended this program for the past 3 days and it was very beneficial to attend this program. Atmaram sir has guided us very beautifully. I can understand the trigonometric formulas which I have been not understanding so many days, because sir has given many short tricks to understand the formulas, and the best one is the sir's high by technique to revise the formula. Sir has guided us for 3 days and it was very beautiful to us to attend this program. I can understand many more things from sir. Thank you sir.
माझें नाव रिया बोरकार. हांव श्रीमती हायस्कुलान शिकता. आमकां हांगासर 3 दिसाचो वर्कशॉप आसलो. त्या वर्कशॉपान आमकां सायन्स आनी मॅथ्स MCQ क्वेश्चन शिकयले, सॉल्व करून शिकयले. तशेंच आमकां ट्रिग्नोमेट्री लेसनान खूब डिफिकल्टी आसली. ते आमकां सरान खूब इजी तरेन सांगलें कशें सॉल्व करप तें, आनी आमकां तें खूब हेल्पफूल जालें.
Hello, my name is Sanvi Kotaway from Gurudas Pigaus Memorial High School. I would like to thank Atmaram Gaukar sir for conducting this program. It is very beneficial for us as our board exams are coming nearby, and it helped us to clear our doubts. So thank you sir for conducting this program. I would like to tell you that you should take this program for many days. This program is very helpful for them. So thank you sir once again.
Myself Praveen Pasagi from Gurudas Pigaus Memorial High School. The program held by Atmaram Gaukar sir was very helpful to us. I was facing many difficulties in trigonometry lesson, so sir told new techniques to solve, so it get easier for me. I thank Atmaram sir. This program should be continued for some time more. This month. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Gitanjali Mapsekar. I am from Sri Bhumika High School, Pariya Sattari, Goa. Today's session was too much good and very useful for me and other students. It is very much useful for us to make easier the MCQs, the other problems in very much tough topics. It is very much beneficial for me and other students. I love to hear this session, and it is my favorite experience in my life. Thank you.
माझें नाव सात्विक गावस. हांव नवदुर्गा हायस्कूल पाळीच्यान येयला, आनी ह्या फावटचे 3 दीस क्रॅश कोर्सा बद्दल हांव थोडी म्हायती दिता. हांव सगळ्यान पयलीं थँक्यू म्हणपाक सोदता आमच्या चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत आनी आमचो सर आत्माराम गांवकर. तेंच्यांनी आमकां टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स सांगली, जितून आमकां खूब हेल्प जालो. आनी ह्या टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्सांनी म्हाका फुडले येणाऱ्या एग्जामी परीक्षेक SSC एग्जामीक म्हाका हेल्प जातली. म्हणून ह्या 3 दिसा क्रॅश कोर्सा खातीर हांव धन्यवाद करता.
Hello, my name is Indra Chari. I am studying in Gurudas Pigaus Memorial High School. So ह्या प्रोग्रामान आमकां खूब हेल्प जाला. MCQ सॉल्व करपाक खूब आमचे डाउट्स आसले ते क्लियर जाले. आनी हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा सराक की आमचे इजी वेयान आमकां खूब ट्रिक्स सांगले आनी कितें कितें थँक्यू.
Hello everyone, my name is Prata and I'm from Sri Shankadurga High School. I'm so fortunate to be a part of this workshop. Atmaram sir taught us various tricks and techniques to understand the concept of every lesson. He made us prepared to answer our first board exam. It's very grateful of Atmaram sir who took so much of efforts and he transformed the difficult with the first concept in a very simple and easy way. I'm also thankful to Dr. Pramod Sawant and eLearning Career Academy who organized this kind of very intellectual workshop. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. Myself Sia Madhav from Progress High School, Sakri, Goa. First of all, I would like to thank to our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant for giving us this 3 days opportunity for training in maths and science. Really, Atmaram Gaukar sir, these 3 days were very interesting. We have learnt a lot, especially all the tricks which are easy to remember. I request all the students to go through the study material provided. Sir, on the behalf of all the schools from Sakli area, I promise that we will try our best and do all the hard work possible by us to get 100% result as a payback of all the efforts that you have put in for the last 3 days. Thank you sir for the valuable time. I also thank Ravindra Bhavan for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
Good afternoon all of you. Myself Sauli Tanaji Sodankar from Government High School Amona. I have attended all the 3 sessions of Gaukar sir. They were very nice and refreshing. We were in need of such guidance. Thank you sir. Only thing, this is a very big time since very few days are left for our board exam. It would have been much better if this session were little earlier at the start of our vacation. On behalf of our school, I thank the organizers for taking the initiative to organizing this program. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shan Sheikh. I am from St. John of the Cross High School. This 3 days crash course was very effective and it was worth it. It was very different from our teaching in school, and yet it has done a lot of beneficial things to us. The way you teach is very different from the normal teachers, and the visualization and the tricks, the techniques, it was very good. And yeah, it will help a lot of students to us, and thank you sir. Thanks a lot.
Myself Ahmed Sheikh from Our Lady of Grace High School, Bicholi, Goa. Thank you so much sir for such an amazing teaching session. We really enjoyed it and your teaching skills are very good and phenomenal. We understood everything and my doubts are cleared. And mostly people have doubts in trigonometry chapter. Like me, you cleared it very well. Thank you so much sir. And thank you Ravindra Bhavan.
Thank you very much.